Believe it or not, I struggled with marketing. Marketing was tough for me. It took me a very long time to understand that you're building out a web system around a single offer, and all you do is repeat that process for every offer that you create. I read books like The One-Page Marketing Plan by Alan Dibb, another book by All Marketers Are Liar by Seth Godin, and I read about every book Alex Hormozi wrote. But I really didn't understand marketing until I came across a guy named Aaron Fletcher. He showed me the process of how you create the webs over a singular product, and from there, from all of that information, we've created the Market Monster, the do-it-for-you system to create your own marketing plan so you could break through the noise with one singular product. So how do you become a market monster? The first thing is you want to create a marketing plan. You want to figure out how you're going to deliver your message, what type of message you're going to create, and what platforms you're going to issue these messages out on. The next thing is you want to do a little market research. I know everybody say do research, but the best way to do some research, people write books on any particular topic. Go to Amazon, go to wherever these books are, go to YouTube, wherever they are, and people are saying good things, people are saying bad things. Read the reviews. That's how you can get your currencies for how you can build out your marketing plan. And lastly, we show you how you create the web. The web effect is how you create all your funnels around a singular product. If it's something free, rather if it's something high, low, or mid, everything will connect back to that singular product no matter where you distribute your content. But I found that there are 3 common struggles that most entrepreneurs face when it comes to actually building out a marketing plan and executing that marketing strategy. And the first one is they're thinking they need a big budget. You don't need a big budget to reach the whole entire world. What you need to do is target a small group of people and figure out how you're going to sell to them. And the second thing is you don't have to be an expert in sales. What you have to be is a human being that's there to really solve a problem. If you're genuinely there to solve a problem, that's all you have to be. You don't have to be a used car salesman to actually get this product off your lot. And the last thing is developing your unique value proposition. That is how you can break through the noise with just your singular message. We want you to come into a crowded market because that means that market is hot, but we're going to show you how you can break straight through that noise so that way they hear just you. So I want you to download the One-Page Market Monster cheat sheet. This will help you keep you on track so you can identify your target market, figure out how you're going to market to them, and actually close leads and deals so that way you can make money and live the life of freedom that you're looking for. So now this is just step number 4 inside of the Fire Alarm Business Blueprint. You will need to take all 9 steps in order for you to understand how to start, grow, and operate a fire alarm company. This is actually coming from a person who do this day in and day out on an everyday basis. So I'm teaching you everything that I know, how I built my fire alarm company. So if you're ready to take the next step to implement this marketing strategy into your business, click the link below. Let's jump on a call. In 30 minutes, we'll see where you at, how we can help you, and see if you're a good fit for the Market Monster. I'll catch you on the other side.